Hi, my name's Chris Casper, and I am the creator of the Keeps at Gascony. Keeps is a light Euro strategy game for 3 to 6 players. Players act as kings, and the goal of the game is to build 3 keeps or to build 1 castle. Once you do so, you win the game. I've played hundreds of games of Catan, and I learned that people were enthralled with playing with their pieces on the side of the board. I wanted to build a very tactile game that people could play with their pieces on the board. There are 3 really distinct, unique mechanics to Keeps that really are the magic behind why it works. The first mechanic that's really unique is the idea of a block which has multiple roles depending on its orientation. So, for example, if you lay a block flat, then it takes the role of a farmer or a miner. It produces things. If you lay a block on its side, then it takes the role of as a wall and is part of what you use to build a keep or a castle. And if you put a block on its end to where it stands tall, it can move around the board and it takes the role as a soldier. A traditional 6-sided dice has the exact same probability of landing on each of the 6 sides. I created asymmetrical dice where I carefully control the proportions of surface areas on the different sides in order to adjust the probabilities. So the way dice combat works in Keeps is you roll, and whichever dice is the tallest wins combat. If the dice happen to land at the same height, then it results in a tie. As you can see, Keeps was built around some highly tactile, highly geometric components. You have blocks that can take on different roles depending on what you're doing. You have asymmetrical dice that are a fairly unique mechanic in games, and then you also have these rectangular ground tiles which have a bit more strategy associated with them than a traditional hex tile, because your orientation, whether you place it vertically or horizontally, changes really your aggression or passivity that you want to play for that particular tile placement. Thanks for learning a little bit about Keeps, and here's to you being the next King of Gascony.